Which is the largest organ in the human body? Right answer, skin. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaf. Which blood cells help in clotting? Platelets. What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which organ purifies blood in humans? Kidney. Which vitamin is produced in human skin by sunlight? Vitamin D. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. What is the normal body temperature of a human? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Which blood group is called the universal donor? O. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. What is the main function of white blood cells? Fight infection. Which plant tissue transports water? Xylem. What is the process of breathing out called? Exhalation. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondrion. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Photosynthesis. Which part of the blood is responsible for clotting? Platelet. The human skeleton is composed of how many bones? In adults, 206. Which of the following is the universal blood donor? O. Which organ in the human body is responsible for producing insulin? Pancreas. What is the function of the xylem in a plant? To transport water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. Which of the following is a organism? An amoeba. The smallest bone in the human body is stapes. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K. The green color of leaves is due to chlorophyll. Which human organ is responsible for pumping blood? Heart. Which organ controls all body functions? Brain. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? AB. What is the function of the large intestine? Absorption of water. Which part of the plant absorbs water? Root. Which organ is known as the ovous box? Larynx. What type of joint is found in the shoulder, ball and socket joint?